There is a new 3x3 world record. I repeat, a new 3x3 world record.
What time is it? It's time for another video.
New 3x3 world record. Da da da. It was 5.25 by Collin Burns. And the one-handed record was also broken. Average, but that's not really important. 5.25 world record. And this isn't by Felix, this isn't by Matt, it's actually by Collin, whose old best solve was 5.93. And when you come into here, you'll see that it was in the final of Doylestown Spring 2015 in America, and he got an average of 8.7, but then the world record 5.25, which is obviously his best solve. He broke the world record twice, that would be amazing. And with his third solve and the average. Now on here, there's a video, and play.
What?
And then a siren of screaming goes off. Do not watch this with headphones. Yep, and watch it in slow motion. Not the inspection, that would be boring. Sorry if this is shaky. And he's done at 5.253. And now let's get on to the next web. So here's a reconstruction of it right here that I made. I didn't reconstruct it, but I put it into alg.cubing.net. This is Collin Burns' solve. So you can see he does cross, first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. And now I'm not sure if this is OLL or like a ZBLL, one look last layer, but let's watch it. Okay, after watching that, I actually think it probably was one look last layer of some sort, because you can see here, when he finishes his F2L, he recognizes this and does U and then U prime. So either he just didn't recognize the OLL case that well, or he was recognizing something extra, one look last layer. So it's probably a one look last layer. And I'll have a link to all of these, okay, probably not this, because you should know this, all of these in the description, except this, that's just this. So bye. Congratulations to Collin on this amazingly fast solve.